Hi, I'm Tita Josie, and today I'm reacting to the official teaser for Pluie. So Pluie means the rain in French, and this is a series where one of the main characters dislikes talking to strangers and doesn't like talking to people. And when it rains, he is unable to hear anything except for the voice of the other character. And one of the main leads, I don't know which one he's playing, is Title. And Title has been in quite a few series. Like, I remember him first from Type Season 2, where he played Fugan. He was also in My Only 12% as Tal, the guy who had a crush on you. And most recently, I saw him as Champ in Remember Me. And in the poster up here, he's on the right. And he is co-leads with P, who is playing another of the leads. I don't know which one. And he was in Why Destiny before. So this series is coming out on April the 29th. So it's around a month and a half from now. And yeah, I'm going to be reacting to the teaser. And I will catch everyone after. See you in a bit. Oh, he was from You're My Sky.
เพื่อที่มาฟังว่ามึงเจอโซลเมตแล้ว
ทุกๆครั้งที่ฝนตกผมจะไม่ได้ยินเสียงอะไรอีกเลยนอกจากเสียงโซลเมตของผมอ้ายไปเจอโซลเมตมา
อ้ายเจอเขาครั้งแรกก็เริ่มชอบเขาเลยใช่ไหม
ใช่จริงๆด้วยคนเจ้าชู้
จริงๆนะกูไม่ได้จีบน้องเขาเลยนะ
Oh, well.
พี่ขอคุยด้วยได้ไหม
พี่นารา
ความรักนี่มันยากจังเนาะ
การที่แกไม่รู้อะไรเลยมันดีที่สุดแล้ว
Okay, it was kind of dramatic.
เตือนมึงไว้ก่อนเลยนะมึงจะทำอะไรมึงคิดดีๆพี่กูกับพี่พัฒน์เขาเป็นโซลเมตกันกูไม่ยอมให้มึงมายุ่งกับความสัมพันธ์ของสองคนนั้นแน่
พัดห้ามทำให้แสงใต้เสียใจหรือว่าร้องไห้เป็นอันขาดเลยนะ
พี่ก็รู้ว่าใต้รู้สึกไงกับพี่อ่ะ
แค่เธอลองใช้หัวใจ
Ooh,
ฟังใจ
I think that's voice
พี่พัฒ
on
น์มีคนอื่นอยู่
pop.
แล้วอ่ะจะมายุ่งกับใต้ทำไม
The patron saint of BL soundtracks in Thailand. So I don't know where this is going to air, but it does look interesting. It looks like it's going to be a little bit dramatic. At least some parts of it are going to be like dramatic. And yeah, like it is cute, I have to say. I do like Title. I've liked him, as I mentioned, ever since he was Pugan in Type Season 2. And I'm happy to see Swar as well. He was the one in Your My Sky. So it's interesting. It does look interesting. And yeah, we only have to wait a month and a half, approximately. I don't know where it's going to air or where it's going to premiere. I mean, for international fans, for local fans, as I mentioned, it is going to be on, oh, I forgot what now. But for international fans, I have no idea where it's going to be airing. And I also don't know if reactions will be allowed, but we will see. So, yeah, in the meantime, thanks for watching my reaction to the official teaser. Enjoy your weekend. Take care, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.